Apple and Amazon are worth trillions of dollars. But what do you think is easier? Building the next Apple, creating a killer product that everyone wants, spending millions in R&D, or setting up a website, building relationships, and connecting customers with producers? Unless you guys have a secret trust fund somewhere, obviously connecting the right people is easier. And that's what all these billion-dollar companies like Uber, Airbnb, Fiverr, DoorDash all have in common. They don't actually produce a product, they just connect buyers with sellers and take a cut. The easiest way to make money isn't by reinventing the wheel, it's by being a middleman and connecting supply, demand. And in 2025, the best way to do this isn't through dropshipping or real estate, it's through something way bigger. So in this video, I'll show you why being the middleman is the best one-person business model, what the best middleman business to start in 2025 is, and finally, how you can apply all of the info yourself to make $10,000 per month or more. But at the right context, none of what I revealed to you guys will make sense. So let me give you exactly that. Why is being a middleman best one-person business to start? Well, to answer that, we've got to address two key questions. Firstly, why be a middleman at all? And secondly, why is it the best one-person business to start? When you look at all the biggest companies in the world that started off as mere ideas and now turned into billion-dollar giants, they all have one thing in common. They don't own the actual product that they sell. Companies like Uber, Airbnb, and Amazon, every single one of them is built on the middleman model. Uber doesn't own any cars. Airbnb doesn't own the homes listed on the platform. Amazon, yeah, they produce some products of their own now, but when they were growing and nowhere near the giant that they are today, they were just selling other people's books and products. These businesses exploded because they focused on what actually matters in making money, finding customers, connecting them to what they already need, and taking a cut for making that connection. That's it. No manufacturing, no warehouses, no huge upfront investments. And this isn't just easier, it's also way more scalable. Because if you don't own the product, you don't have to worry about production delays, logistics, or running out of stock. You just focus on bringing buyers and sellers together and getting paid every time that happens. And that's why the middleman model is the easiest way to make money. But let's be real, you're not going to build the next Uber or Amazon. I mean, you might, but probably not right now. But you actually don't need to. Because while these billion-dollar companies master the middleman model at scale, the real question is, how can you use this model to build a simple, high-profit business as a solo entrepreneur? In other words, why is this model absolute best for a one-person business in 2025? Well, it comes down to 5 key reasons. Firstly, you don't need employees, it's 100% solo scalable. Most business models hit a scaling ceiling when you're working alone. With freelancing, you're trading time for money, and if you don't work, you don't earn. E-commerce will eventually require you to hire and build a team to handle customer support, logistics, and fulfillment. And with an agency, even if you land clients, you'll need a team to fulfill the work you want to scale. But the middleman model is different. Since you don't actually fulfill the service or deliver a product, your role is purely deal making, which is easy to scale without hiring anyone. You simply set up a system, you connect 2 parties, and you take a percentage. No fulfillment, no customer service, no logistics. That means you can run everything by yourself. And if you're feeling lazy, hire a VA from the Philippines at $3 or $4 an hour, keep your costs extremely low, and scale up without needing a team. Secondly, it's asynchronous. You're not stuck on a schedule. A huge downside of most businesses is that you're locked into time commitments. Freelancers agencies have to meet constant meetings and client deadlines. E-commerce is even worse because you're handling huge volumes of customers, so customer support, supplier coordination, and order management are all key. With coaching and consulting, you're tied to live calls and booked appointments. But a middleman business is asynchronous, meaning you're not stuck on a fixed schedule. You set up deals at your own pace, you automate outreach so brands and influencers can come to you, and you can scale this while traveling, working on other projects, or even keeping a job. This makes it insanely flexible. You can work whenever you want and still grow it without being tied to client demands. Thirdly, no upfront capital is needed. Most businesses require some kind of investment to start. If you're drop shipping, even if you buy inventory, after orders come in, you still pay for ads and deals with refunds. With agencies, startup costs are low since you can pay for stuff after landing clients, but of course you're still going to have things like an email domain, Google Meet, or Zoom, or something along those lines. With the middleman model, your startup costs are virtually zero. All you need is a network of people that you can connect, which you can build for free, a way to reach out to brands or clients via cold email, social media, which is also free, and of course, if you want faster results, pay for a domain, which will only cost you $10 a month, and that's literally 3 coffees. A system to negotiate and close deals, which you can do with just a laptop and internet connection. That's why it's the lowest risk business to start in 2025 because you don't have to spend money to make money. It's also the best leverage model for a one-person business because in 2025, leverage is everything. The people making the most money aren't working the hardest. They're using leverage to make money from systems, relationships, and information. And middleman businesses are pure leverage because instead of selling your own time or your own product, you're making money off of other people's time, skills, or products. That means you don't have to be the expert, you don't have to do the work, and you don't have to spend years building a personal brand. You just sit in the middle, introduce people, and collect a percentage. And that's why this is the easiest model to grow from $0 to $10,000 per month and beyond without grinding 12 hours per day. And finally, AI and automation are making this even easier in 2025 right now. AI and automation are disrupting every industry. But instead of killing the middleman business model, they're making it even more powerful. AI tools can find leads, send outreach, and automate deal flow, which means you don't even have to do the hard part anymore. Brands are getting worse at organic marketing, which means they need someone to connect them to influencers and new customers. And more people than ever want to monetize their online presence but don't know how to find opportunities. So instead of AI replacing middlemen, it's actually making them more valuable because someone still has to sit in the middle and facilitate these connections. And that's why the middleman model is the best for solo entrepreneurs in 2025. But here's the thing, not every middleman business is worth starting. Some are too competitive, some require too much effort, and some just don't make you enough money. So now I'm going to give you guys the exact best type of one-person middleman business to start in 2025 and how to do it. There's one that stands out above the rest, one that makes you make thousands per deal while running it from just your laptop without employees, inventory, or even ad spend. And that business is a lean influencer marketing agency, not a full-scale agency with employees, overhead, and massive complexity. Just a simple one-person operation where you sit in the middle, connecting brands to influencers and take a cut on every deal. And let me explain to you why this is the number one middleman business to start right now. Firstly, the demand is exploding right now. And right now, businesses are facing one massive problem: getting attention. Ads are getting more expensive. Organic reach on social media is just getting saturated, and customers trust influencers more than traditional ads. Brands spent over $25 billion on influencer marketing in 2024, and 80% of businesses say influencer marketing gives them a higher return on investment than paid ads. Even billion-dollar companies like Nike, Gymshark, and McDonald's are shifting more and more of their budgets towards influencer partnerships. But here's the problem and your opportunity. Most brands don't know how to find influencers, and most influencers don't know how to land brand deals. And that's where you come in. As a lean influencer marketing agency, your job is simple. You help brands find influencers, and you help influencers get paid, and you take a cut for making that connection. That's it. You're just a middleman in one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Secondly, there's no product, no ad spend, just deals. And unlike e-commerce, where you need to buy inventory and run ads, unlike coaching, where you need to build an audience first, and unlike big agencies where you need a team to scale, a lean influencer marketing agency requires none of that. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to run paid ads. I don't need employees for fulfillment. You just find brands that want exposure, connect them to influencers, and take a cut from the deal. And a single deal can pay you $1,000 to $5,000 or even more. And once you have a system in place, you can close multiple deals every single month without things getting more and more complicated. I mean, look at Hannes, this 18-year-old kid I've been coaching. He's closed deals that profit him over $7,000 in a single month.
Yo, my name is Hannes, I'm 18 years old and I've been running my own influencer marketing agency for the past 4 or 5 months now. And honestly speaking, it's the best thing that has ever happened to me. In the last 7 days, I made $8,000 in commission. That's just pure profit for me. And the only thing I had to do is email some brand, email some influencers, and set up a successful partnership between them. The only thing you get is commission for setting up the deal based on how much revenue it makes. Very simple, very successful. I love it.
Thirdly, there's no experience needed, just a system. And the other thing is, most businesses require years of experience or technical skills before you can start making money. But with an IMA, you don't need to be an influencer. You don't need experience in marketing. You just need to know how to position yourself as the connector. And the best part is, brands are already desperate for this. You don't have to convince them that influencer marketing works. They already know this. They just don't know where to find the right influencers. And that's why they'll happily pay you to do it for them. And once you have a simple system to find brands, find influencers, and negotiate deals, you can close deals every month without working insane hours. So in 2025, the thing couldn't be better. As ad costs rise because Zuckerberg wants more money, influencer marketing is becoming the number one way businesses can go about getting customers. That means there's more money being poured into the space every year and more opportunities for solo entrepreneurs just like you to step in and get paid. But here's the thing, how do you actually set this up? Because you can't just reach out to brands randomly and hope they say yes. There's a specific strategy to landing clients, finding influencers, and closing deals, even if you have no experience. And in the next section of this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step. So firstly, you want to pick a niche that already has demand. And the biggest mistake people make when starting a middleman business is trying to serve everyone. But if you want to land clients fast, you need to specialize. Instead of just saying you help brands with influencer marketing, say something like this. I help fitness brands get their products promoted by influencers. I connect tech startups with YouTubers who drive sales. I help clothing brands collaborate with fashion influencers on Instagram. This works because brands trust specialists and not generalists. The specialists are winning in the marketing world these days. And some of the best niches or industries to get into are fitness and supplements, fashion and apparel, tech and gaming, luxury and high-end products, B2B and SaaS, like high-ticket influencer deals. And once you choose a niche, it's time to start building your network. Most people make the mistake of trying to get brands first, but the easiest way to close deals is to have influencers ready to go. Brands don't want to waste time searching for influencers. If you come to them with a pre-built network of influencers that match their niche, they'll say yes after a few emails. So here's how to do it quickly, even if you have no connections. Step 1, go on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube and find influencers in your niche with 10,000 to 500,000 followers. And you want to look at their engagement, so how many likes and comments they get on their posts. Step 2, send a simple DM 100 times per day. Hey, name, I run an influencer marketing agency and I'm looking to help influencers like you land paid brand deals. Would you be open to more opportunities? Let me know and I'll keep you in mind for upcoming campaigns with the world's biggest brands. You want to keep track of who replies and who is interested. Then you want to create a simple list or Google Sheet of influencers in your niche with their name, follower count, and engagement rate. The goal here is to build a small but high quality network of influencers before you even pitch to brands. Why? Because now when you talk to a brand, you can already say, I already have 15 influencers in your niche ready for brand deals like insert name or insert name with 400,000 followers and 200k followers respectively. That makes it a no-brainer for brands to work with you. Now that you have the influencers in your network, it's time to reach out to brands, close some deals. But there's a key mistake I see a lot of people making, especially some of you guys who are subscribed to the channel. Some of you just target any brand, but what you actually want to do is pre-qualify them. So only targeting brands that are already spending money on influencer marketing. You don't want to try to convince businesses to start using influencer marketing. That's just way too much effort. Instead, find brands that are already doing influencer deals because they already believe in it and have a budget for it. Here's a few ways to find these brands. Firstly, look for brands that are sponsoring influencers in your niche on TikTok and Instagram. You want to find brands then that are running paid collaborations with YouTubers, or you want to see if similar brands in your niche are using influencers. The chances are others will too. And once you find these brands, you want to reach out directly to their marketing heads or people who manage influencer marketing within these businesses. Then you want to be sending outreach to the brands so that they say yes. And your first message to brands is absolutely critical. Most people send long, boring pitches that never get replies. If you keep it simple and results driven, you're going to get brands interested fast. So here's a cold outreach template that you can use. So you've got the subject line, quick question about brand name, something along the lines of, hey, first name, I came across brand name and love what you're doing. I run an influencer marketing business and I work with brands like yours to get your products promoted by the right influencers who actually drive sales. I've already built a network of niche influencers, 10,000 to 500,000 followers, and I'd love to introduce you to a few who could be a great fit for the brand. Would you be open for a quick chat? Best, and then your name. This works because it's short and straight to the point, which is good because no one wants to read long emails. It shows you already have influencers ready, so they obviously don't have to do extra work. And then once you get a reply, interest, you can move on to step 5, which is closing the deal. When a brand says they're interested, your job is to give them exactly what they want. Now, unlike the agency I run, which generates over $4 million per year, the business model we're talking about won't need you to hop on any calls. All you need to do is go back and forth via email, and if the brand doesn't like an influencer, just pitch them another until you get the perfect fit and they give you an offer. Once you have an offer for, let's say, $5,000 for one campaign with one influencer, you then go to the influencer and tell them you can get them $2,000 or $3,000. Start off by lowballing them, and then you want to meet in the middle with the influencer. As long as it's below $5,000, the difference between what the brand pays you and what you give the influencer is your middleman profit. Depending on the influencer and your negotiation skills, that could be thousands of dollars per campaign for doing nothing. All you do after after that point is to make sure the content goes live as planned by going back and forth communicating with the brand and the influencer. Then you get paid once all the content goes live. And once you land your first few deals, you can start automating your business by building a simple influencer database so you can match brands with influencers way faster. To save you time, you can then pay a VA $3 or $5 per hour to source creators and source brands. All you actually do then is send the emails yourself through a software like Instantly.ai where you can automate mass emails. And then to make even more profit, you could close bigger deals. $5K, $10K, $20,000 per deal. And that's how you go from landing your first deal to making $10,000 per month with just a few clients. And the best part, you don't need to hire a team. You don't need to spend money on ads. You don't need to build a personal brand. You're just a one-person deal maker sitting in the middle and collecting money. And that's it. That's how you start a lean influencer marketing agency in 2025 with no experience, no employee, and no risk. And if you follow these steps, you can land your first deal within 30 days, just like Hannah's, an 18-year-old kid, did. So now you know exactly to start a lean influencer marketing agency in 2025. If you want to go even deeper and get the full step-by-step breakdown, including real-world examples and a roadmap, then click somewhere right here on the screen. This is my full-length, 1-hour, free influencer marketing course, where I walk you through everything you need to know to land your first clients, scale your agency, and start making serious money as a one-person business. So don't miss it. Make sure you click here or click in the description, and I'll see you inside the free course.